Natural Tinnitus Relief. 5 effective methods to alleviate symptoms. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for various health conditions. Today, we're delving into an issue that affects many individuals: tinnitus. We'll be discussing 5 effective natural methods to provide relief from tinnitus symptoms. So, let's dive in. Method 1. Sound therapy. The most effective method for natural tinnitus relief is sound therapy. This technique utilizes external sounds to mask or distract from the persistent ringing or buzzing in the ears. By introducing soothing sounds, such as gentle music, white noise, or nature sounds, you can alleviate the focus on tinnitus and experience relief. Sound therapy works by shifting your attention away from the tinnitus sound, allowing your brain to gradually habituate to it. In most cases, you may experience some level of relief almost immediately upon using sound therapy. However, for long-term results, it is recommended to incorporate sound therapy into your daily routine for several weeks or months. Method 2. Meditation and relaxation techniques. Another powerful approach to managing tinnitus is through meditation and relaxation techniques. This method focuses on calming the mind and reducing stress, which can help alleviate tinnitus symptoms. The time it takes for meditation and relaxation techniques to produce noticeable results can vary from person to person. Some individuals may experience relief after just a few sessions, while others may require consistent practice over a few weeks or months to observe significant improvement. Regular practice is key to reaping the benefits of these techniques. Method 3. Dietary adjustments. Making specific dietary adjustments can also play a role in reducing tinnitus symptoms naturally. Certain nutrients and foods have been found to support ear health and potentially alleviate tinnitus. The effects of dietary adjustments on tinnitus may take some time to become noticeable. It is recommended to make consistent changes to your diet by incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and omega-3 fatty acids. With a balanced and nutritious diet, you may start noticing a reduction in tinnitus symptoms within a few weeks or months. Method 4. Acupuncture. Acupuncture, an ancient practice originating from traditional Chinese medicine, has shown promise in providing relief from tinnitus. The number of acupuncture sessions required to see results can vary. Some individuals may experience immediate relief after a few sessions, while others may need more regular treatments over a period of weeks or months to observe significant improvement. It is important to consult with a qualified acupuncturist who can assess your condition and provide a tailored treatment plan. Method 5. Exercise and physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise and physical activity can contribute to natural tinnitus relief by improving overall well-being and promoting better circulation. The effects of exercise and physical activity on tinnitus may take time to manifest. As you maintain a consistent exercise routine, improvements in stress levels, sleep quality, and blood circulation can gradually lead to a reduction in tinnitus symptoms. It may take several weeks or even months to observe noticeable changes. Tinnitus can be a challenging condition to manage, but there are natural methods that can provide relief. We discussed 5 effective techniques: sound therapy, meditation and relaxation techniques, dietary adjustments, acupuncture, and exercise. Remember, the time it takes for each method to produce results can vary from person to person, so patience and consistency are key. We hope that these natural approaches bring you relief and improve your quality of life. Download our book for free to find out a 3-step remedy that eliminates tinnitus effectively for good. Simply click the link provided in the description below to get your copy right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos with tips to help you get rid of tinnitus and more. And we'll see you in the next video.